with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. Saturday to noon Central Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Saturday to noon Central Standard Time Monday. Event, a wintry mix of sleet, freezing rain, and snow could begin Saturday evening before likely changing to all snow Sunday. Northerly winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with frequent gusts near 60 miles per hour will result in areas of blowing snow and near zero visibility. Accumulations, less than 1/4 inch of sleet, and ice with 6 to 10 inches or more of snow possible. Sizable snow drifts are likely given the expected strong winds. Wind chills, the combination of strong north winds and cold temperatures will produce wind chills as low as 10 below zero for much of the event. In fact, travel will become extremely hazardous and could become impossible in these conditions. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The 4 p.m. area weather roundup at Husband International.